Greetings and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you become part of our home decor family. So since spring is right around the corner, I wanted to talk about how to do just a really beautiful front porch spring decor makeover and just give you lots of inspiration so you can get out there on your front porches and just really welcome spring in. Now, if something in this video just really piques your interest, don't forget to go down below, check out the description box. I have included several lists for you, several items for you, so you can get the same spring refresh at your home as well. Spring is officially here, and if you haven't started decorating your outdoor spaces for the season yet, now is the time to begin. And of course, it's always great to begin with your front porch. This is where you welcome your guest and invite in the fresh spring air. To freshen up your outdoor space, consider adding a wreath to your doors, garland, potted spring flowers, beautiful colors, welcome signs, and other home decor that will help create a spring-like atmosphere. If you have the space, furnishings are also a great addition to your porch. Think maybe chairs, accent chairs, swinging little sofa, something like that. Be sure to add a pop of color with some outdoor pillows. Don't forget to tell me in the comments section which one of these ideas most inspired you and why. And also, have you started decorating your porch for spring yet? Decorating your porch for spring and giving it a nice refresh can seem like a huge daunting task that could take weeks, but really it is fairly simple and can be done really inexpensively. You can also just rearrange things in your home. One thing that I love to do is to shop my house first. Before I switch around anything or redecorate a certain room, I like to go through my house and basically shop. Check some of those closets that we kind of store some of our not used home decor, switch things around so that way when we go to Home Goods or Walmart or Target or Marshall's, we are not buying all of the items needed for a complete renovation. So most of the ideas that you're going to see are pretty self-explanatory. No need to do a lot of talking. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which porch that you love so far. Is decorating your front porch something that you do for spring, or is it something that you only do for your home, or do you do it at all? I'd love to know. Comment that in the comment section as well. I absolutely love the idea of using an old door and an old bike for part of your front porch decor. This was so rustic, so cute, and if it's something that you already have in your garage or your shed, it's free. For another really creative decorative touch, consider using a pair of old rain boots to hold some of the flowers on your front porch. It's not an idea that you just see really often, but it's beautiful. Honestly, these porches are so beautifully decorated that it really just looks like another room of the home, especially this one, considering the fact it's screened in. This is the type of front porch that I want, the type that people just spend hours on. This is another porch that I really love. Everything blends so well together, just looks like a really nice space. And not to mention this one, with so many different pops of color, this is beautiful, and I'm sure it stands out from the street as well. So just to give you all a glimpse into my life, one thing that I am trying to do is start a collection of really cute doormats, especially the ones with the funny sayings or unique sayings. I will definitely list some in the description box that I have personally purchased from Amazon, and you guys let me know if you like them. Alrighty, friends, so I have already asked you to comment your favorite front porch down below if you want to know mine. Honestly, I had several. There were several that I thought were beautiful, but I love anything with string lights. It's just my little personal thing I love. I think this would be a great place to sit and watch the sun coming up or going down in the evenings. As always, friends, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. We have had a great video today. Hopefully you guys have liked it. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Stay safe and stay stylish.